Doing it.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio. The most consistent warning service possible. These alerts will only be activated for selected warnings. Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming.
Early much?
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm device.
I haven't even finished catching the TV relays.
Weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast for the northeast plateau of...
Damn, Sacramento. You just wanted to get the test over with. Like, that's the earliest that I've seen you guys go off, like, almost instantly.
You're right.
And then you can see the ESP 2100 flashing the word statement, which means it received a test. So at least it's good it activated. So, what do you think of that, Drew?
Well, I think it's got to be the first time I've ever been in here when they did both tests simultaneously.
I know. Like I said, it didn't even give me a chance to finish getting the TV relays. Like, why?
I guess they wanted to get it done.
Pretty much. Oh, there you have it, folks.